Good morning, my dear children. I'm here again to give you some work from the subject English 2. So open your English 2 book, page number 37. In the last video, we completed our work till here. So today we'll continue from here. Okay? Learn this with the help of your teacher. This, that. As we already discussed about it in the last video. This, that. We use this, that when we talk about one thing. When we talk about one thing. And these, those. These, those. We use these, those when we talk about more than one thing. Okay? More than one thing. Like in this case, you can say, this is my book. That is your book. And in this, these are my books, those are yours. Okay? Now complete the sentences with these, that, these, or those. Look at the pictures for help. 1a. This picture book is my new book. This picture book is my new book. Here the girl is pointing to this book. And she is telling that this picture book is my new book. Turn to page number 38. Now here the girl is showing a peacock which is not near to her. She is pointing. So we use that. That peacock is lovely. That peacock is lovely. Now 2a. We see a girl standing next to her shoes. Standing next to her shoes. So you write here these. These green shoes are my shoes. These green shoes are my shoes. Now here we see a girl showing flowers. So you write here again, those flowers are pretty. Those flowers are pretty. As the girl is not standing next to the flower, so we can write here this. She is standing far from the flower. So whenever we point to the things which is far from us, we always write those. Those flowers are pretty. Number 3a. Here again we see a boy and a girl who is pointing to the tall trees. And we'll write here those. Those trees are very tall. Those trees are very tall. Now here we see a monkey. The boy is pointing to this monkey. This monkey is naughty. This monkey is naughty. So we write here this. THI, this monkey is naughty. In this picture we see a girl showing this bookshop. Bookshop. So we'll write here this. This shop sells books. This shop sells books. Now here we see a picture of a house. So you write here this. This house is small. This house is small. Okay. Now come to page number 39. Match these animals with the sound they make. So you have to match these animals with the sound they make. So here you see the sound of animals. Hoot, budge, moo, growl, neigh. So which animals make which sound? You have to match it. Okay. So you will be doing this by yourself in your book only as a holiday homework. Okay. Just one example I'll show you. First one is cow. So what sound does the cow make? Cow, moo. So you will match this cow with moo. Same way tiger. Tiger, growl. Owl, hoot. Horse, neigh. Bee, budge. Okay. So you will be doing it by yourself. So my dear children, I am giving you the work, page number 37, 38 and 39. you will be doing all this work in your book only. Okay, you will be doing this work in your book only as a holiday homework. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.